I said, I don't know where the hell I'm at now. Try that way.
Wait, say that one more time.
That way.
You don't know where you're at?
No, I'm lost.
Oh no! For the record. All right. So the test of the day is I've got a windscreen on my GoPro. I've got one of those foam covers that goes over the entire GoPro, and I have that on now. Okay, no Jimbo today, so we don't have anybody leading the group today, so I'm gonna lead for about 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna get tired of it in a hurry. I have a tendency to get strangled in the vines when I lead. So we had some rain here over the last few days, which means the riding conditions today should be excellent. I don't like leading.
That's enough of that. Let's go to the woods.
Okay. Oh, little donkey! Woohoo! There we go. Get some passy passes going on. Oh, he's turning around. Oh, the Ripper! Oh, there goes the Ripper again! Oh, I'm never gonna make it through this unscathed. Ripper! Oh, he's lighting it up! Oh, I'll never make it between those trees! I'm just watching these guys drive in circles. He's coming back. You want video time, I know.
I know y'all be loving this shit right here.
Yeah. Like I say, I try to stay out of your way, but you're just like, boom.
Oh, you ready?
Huh?
You ready?
No.
Okay.
All right, partner. Keep on rolling, baby.
That's all I gotta know. All right. Well, I definitely have to start talking so I can hear if this windsock muffles the voice at all. Oh, they're going that way. Here comes the Ripper. Oh, Sean the Ripper ripping it up. Flaming a space. Space boy. he's down! Pine straw. Oh, Sean's already going. Yeah, the ripper's ripping it. Uh-oh, there goes the ripper off to the side. Uh-oh, Sean the ripper going again. Davey cutting through. Oh. I almost ate it. Donkey punch! Donkey punch king! Woo! Look at that skid out! Oh, Davey goes down! Get him on the camera! All right?
I couldn't make up my mind whether to go left or right.
That's bad mojo for cutting me off.
Dude, he didn't cut you off. He slammed into you and said, I'm coming through.
Oh, Sean.
Do you realize what you've done?
Woo!
That was good.
That was interesting.
All right, let's go find them.
That was beautiful, baby.
Hey, what's that about?
That vine.
You broke it.
I broke it.
Hey, you got dirty.
I got a little dirty. Yeah, baby.
Hey, the photographer's not supposed to get dirty.
I know.